Hello, I'm Nadia. I've got a pencil case. Let's look inside.
In my pencil case, School Things, Part 1.
This is a pen.
A pen. A pen.
This is a pencil.
A pencil. A pencil.
This is a pencil sharpener.
A pencil sharpener. A pencil sharpener.
This is a rubber.
A rubber. A rubber.
This is a ruler.
A ruler. A ruler.
These are colored pencils.
Colored pencils. Colored pencils.
Oh no, my pen is broken.
Sorry.